Hello guys, what's up? Here's Thomas. I'm going to talk about laziness, being lazy. And the question is, are we lazy? And if so, why? What's the reason? What is it that makes us lazy? Like everyone at some point in their life experience laziness. So obviously there's all sorts of reasons why someone it's so comfortable or feels just lazy, what we call lazy. One option is you feel so nice, so good, so comfortable in your sofa or in your chair or in your bed and you don't want to get up. People who will tell you, oh, you are lazy, you're not working, you should be doing it. These people don't understand how you feel. They are very lucky. They have very high energy levels, obviously. They work like if they had the coffee every 2 hours, and they don't understand the others that feel tired, because behind laziness there's always some kind of tiredness, or there is depression. You don't feel good. So it is kind of medical reason, medical background to laziness. And then people get very frustrated and very hard with themselves. They feel lazy, they feel tired, they feel depressed, they feel like not doing nothing today. But then often they experience this frustration when they are angry that they procrastinate, they didn't do what they were supposed to do or they wanted to do. They have some ambitions, but instead they are not fulfilling them, they are not working on their dream, on their goal. So I would suggest you to visit your doctor. Don't talk to your friends, to Facebook, to people. Visit your doctor and tell your doctor how you feel. You will say, I feel tired, I feel like not doing anything, but I would like to at the same time. And your doctor will do the blood test. And your doctor might find out, very likely will find out, what's wrong with you, why you feel that way. It might be something in your blood that is causing that, might be some problem in your body, or it might be mental, psychological problem, like I mentioned, feeling depressed, maybe the weather. Often the bad weather, like rain, influences people. People are, least to say, not that cheerful, not that happy, not that funny, and often they feel tired and lethargic and melancholic, and basically it looks like they are lazy. So start with your doctor, have your blood checked, and then go from there. Also, there is an important thing to know. When you are if you find out that everything is okay with you, then it may be just your habits. You are not doing enough. It's hard, it's physically hurts, to move, to do it. So start going on a walk slowly. It will be difficult for first few weeks, but if you keep doing it, you will get used to it and you will feel very good. Your blood will be circulating, your endorphins will be produced in your brain, and you will feel good and not lazy. And then you will be able to do more things. You will feel like it, like doing things. Okay? Habit, to break the habit, the bad habit of being lazy, might take a month or more, but keep doing it. There's a goal behind it, and it is possible. It is possible to do it. So get up and do it. Let me know how is your laziness, or how was, I hope, was your laziness, and what did you do to overcome it. And give me a like, share the video, and subscribe. Thank you guys, have a great day.